Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Vivian and today we're opening the Papergang box of November. So I will get to opening this in a second, but I just quickly want to pick out a tea that probably one of you has sent me. I've been wanting to try this for so long because the bag is so cool. It's cherry flavored tea. While I don't usually like fruit teas, I have never tried cherry, so I'm very curious to see how this goes. Okay, so I'm not really in a very talkative mood, although Noos is apparently. I'm not really in a talkative mood because I'm actually working 5 days this week, which is not really what we agreed on, because I was supposed to start slow, but there's not enough staff, so I'm working 5 days now, which is a little bit much. And I'm also not in the best place right now with anxiety. But today, luckily, I had a half day. Noos, hey, what's wrong? So I can film this video because I have to film during the day because otherwise it's too dark. But okay, we have the Papergang box of November, and as you can see, it is Christmas themed, and I don't remember last year if last year they did the Christmas themed box in November or December, but to me it still feels a little bit early for Christmas themed stuff. It's November, which day is today? November the 16th. So to me it still feels a little bit early for Christmas stuff, but I guess if it was next year then it would be almost late, so then it would be like the 16th of December, and then it might be too late. Okay, I'm rambling again. But anyway, we have this cute design on the front with the Christmas lights, and I don't know what these are. They look a little bit like squirrels. And on the back we have a little cutout for a Christmas tree, so you can cut this out and then that one, and then you can cross them so that it actually stands, which is quite cute. And we're straight into opening it. Ooh, I love this color of the tissue paper, and it is intact because it has been, it has been ripped a couple of times. But okay, putting this aside, I'm just going straight into opening it. This will be a little bit of a short video because I'm very tired. And woo, I see a lot of pretty things. Going straight into it. Let me start with this washi tape. We have a little, quite a fat roll of washi tape. There's a lot of washi on the roll, which I always like. And there's a design on here. I forgot what the word is, but the tree that is the Christmas tree. I don't remember what that tree is called, but you have little branches of Christmas trees and little berries, so it's quite cute. And this is the little booklet that you get with the Papergang every month with the contents. I will read that afterwards. Oh, and some really pretty Christmas cards. The Oh Dear Christmas card, or the Oh Dear cards in general, always feel quite luxurious. There's a craft paper envelope there, and I think these are actually really cute. So you have one that says Season's Greetings, Warm Wishes, with a little sparkly cup. Oh, this one also has a sparkly design. I didn't even see that. So we have a sparkle, like green sparkly design on there, green foiling. This one of a raccoon with a wreath, Christmas wreath. This one Warm Wishes with a bear and a cup of hot cocoa. And this one Christmas Cheers with a little puppy. And again some, oh, these actually have different color foilings. Really pretty. I love things that are foiled. I'm spoiling everything going to flip it upside down and continue from this way. Oh, we have 2 pieces of, I think, wrapping paper. Yeah, this should be wrapping paper. So we have 2 pieces of this wrapping paper, which I quite like. It's really cute. I'm not going to wrap Christmas presents because we don't do Christmas presents, but I am going to use this for Happy Meal. So that the same print as is on the box. So that is quite nice. And then next up, this is always something I'm very, very excited about. The A5. Okay, oops, a little interruption by the doorbell. That was our neighbor from across the hall. He always keeps his bike inside the building, and it has been stolen, so he basically asked if I had heard or seen anything, but nope. So now I'm completely out of it, but basically notepads are always something that I'm very excited about because I can use them for letter writing paper, as letter writing paper, and these especially are very, very good because they are lined, which I absolutely love, and there's quite a lot of lines because sometimes you also have those designs that have a large banner. That's fun for notes, but for letter writing this is good. So I'm actually really, really happy with that. It feels quite nice, paper quality is good, so this is my favorite item so far. Then we have, ooh, this is something new. We do not have the monthly overview card this month. Maybe it's inside the booklet. I always use those cards. You have like a card, the month and all of the days of the month, so you can write down the most important dates, but for some reason it's not there now. Maybe they want to stop, but that's kind of sad because I always use it for my bullet journal. But this one has a wish list, which is also kind of cute, but I think I'm just gonna use it for Happy Meal. Then we have one more postcard. These were greeting cards, so they have 2 sides, and this is a postcard, just one side. And then this says, it's 2 Christmas trees. This one says, you've got a lot of wolves coming in here dressed like that. That is quite funny. So just a fun little Christmas postcard. And the final item in here are these kind of wintry themed gift tags, and I have to say I also quite like these. We've got a little raccoon, a little fox, and a bear, and I have to say that what I also like about the items, about some of, okay, maybe I shouldn't overdo it, but what I like about these 2 items is that while they are sort of wintry and go with the theme, you could also use them for a different occasion. So last year you really had everything with red and green, which is typical for Christmas, but that meant that I could only use it around Christmas. And these, for example, could also be used just around the festive season. I have no clue if I'm making sense, but to me it just feels like nice that it's a little bit, it's not standard Christmas stuff, so it's not red and green, except, yeah, and even the postcards, not red and green, and I quite like that, because last year everything was red and green, and that's not my favorite. So this is everything that is in this box. I have to say I quite like it, even though I'm not usually, I don't know, I like Christmas themed stuff, but it's not it's not something I spend a lot of money on. I'm sorry, like I said, I'm very tired, and it's a little bit difficult for me to talk right now, but I have to say, like I said, I really do like it. I love the Christmas cards. I'm definitely going to use them to send to all of my pen pals and maybe some subscriber mails, and I also love the letter pad, and I will be using this for Happy Meal. So let us take you through the box's contents. We have the A5 notepad of £5.95. This is from the UK, everything's from the UK, so it's always in pounds. A5 notepad, £5.95. The washi type is £2.50. The greeting cards, you get them in a set of 3. And they are £7.50. And by the way, I forgot to mention this, but they sometimes do different designs in different boxes. So I got these 3 designs, but I'm quite curious if you got the Papergang box yourself, did you get the same or different designs? And then 2 times gift wrap is $3.50, and 3 gift tags are 0.95, so that's quite cheap for gift tags. And then the rest of the booklet is about this month's Papergang artist May, and yeah, this is just an interview with her, and that's it. For every 4 boxes, Papergang plants 1 tree. And this is of course important for me. If you guys want to get the Papergang box yourself, I would be very, very happy if you guys would use my referral code. I will link it down below like I always do. Because if you use my referral code, if 2 people use my referral code, I get 1 box for free, which obviously helps a lot. Since I always pay for them myself, none of this is sponsored. Now I'm going to try the cherry tea. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I wouldn't say this is my favorite, but it's also not the worst fruit tea I ever tasted. It actually has something almost herbal, which I always really, really like. Okay, I'm going to cut this video short. I'm going to stop this video here because I don't know, I don't want to complain, but I'm not really in the right place to do a lot of chit chat right now. I want to know from you guys, what is your favorite item in the box? I want to know how you are doing, and I hope to see you guys again very, very soon. Don't forget to follow my channel if you didn't already. I upload Papergang box unboxings nearly every month. If I order them, I will do an unboxing, and other than that, I upload a lot of snail mail related videos. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye bye.